So guys, I went ahead and parted my hair already. So, what the comb there? Unpass the comb, please. The comb there right there. So. Hey guys, you know it's Fitz and Rika.
Yes, sir.
And we're back with another video.
No cap.
So guys, I'm here to share with you a quick and easy sleek ponytail that I love so much using
You look neat still, no lie.
Yeah, I use it's Jerry? It's a Brazilian Jerry.
Just there, isn't it?
It's the Brazilian Jerry. It's a soprano brand. It's 12 inch. I bleach the ends, right? And it comes in natural. So if you want that look, guys, you can just go out, get like one pack. It comes with 3 bundles. You don't need all 3. You need only 2. So guys, let me show you how to do my quick and easy sleek ponytail. You want to do it for me?
Yeah, I'm scissors.
Crazy.
Yeah, no, the scissors.
Anyway, guys, keep watching. So guys, I'm here. So I went ahead and parted my hair already. So you have to comb it. Ensure that you comb the hair out so you get a smooth and sleek look. Right? You want it to look smooth. You don't want it to look too puffy at the back. You don't want it to look uneven, right? So we got everything combed out. Now what I usually do is to part a section at the back so I can get some of the hair under control, and then I can just do everything in one. So I'm gonna get my tail comb and part a section at the back. It doesn't have to be neat or anything. You just want to get a section of it so you can have it under control. And this is even good for persons with natural hair. You can have some of your hair under control. You can pass my grab clip, please. Sorry, guys.
Here you go.
Thank you. Yeah, so.
Yeah, mama, there.
Combing it out. So I got a section, right? And what I'm gonna do is use a bit of water, spray here, and then I'm gonna use the Eco Styler gel. This is the pink one. It's for curly texture, but I have relaxed hair. To me, it doesn't really matter.
So
I just want to get a hold, because I like pink. For those who doesn't know. Anyway.
So
Yes, so you get a little
pinky.
Ensure you get a little gel at the back. Let me see if I can.
Is there you hear that?
Yes. So you get an elastic band or
scissors.
Scrunchie and just get it together.
Okay.
Right? Okay, so we have that out of the way. We're gonna focus on the top. right? So this now, it has to be slayed. So I'm gonna comb this out.
So you have to have enough here for the hairstyle, eh?
No.
Okay. Ross, this tutorial is not for you here. just saying.
Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing that we did to the bottom half. Right, and I'm gonna take my gel. And also, sometimes I use the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. This to me, it prevents your hair from breakage because it's a really good leave-in conditioner.
Right now,
Cream of Nature. Cream of Nature, guys. So I'm just gonna use my tail comb. Right. I want you guys to see what's going on at the back. Everything is together. Then we go ahead and grab it together. Now that's out of the way. We're just gonna, I use the pink lotion to moisturize the end of my hair. When I have it in a bun or a ponytail or anything, I like to moisturize my hair with the pink lotion. And this is how I retain my length, because I use deep conditioners, leave-in conditioners. Yeah. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and plait the back part of my hair, or plait the ponytail. So I don't want it this long, so I'll be
cutting it,
folding it.
Okay.
Right. So I have my rubber bands. I use the rubber bands to fold the end of my hair. I don't want to use glue, so I choose to use the rubber band method. So what I do, I unhold it better. I bend the hair. Right. Then I get my rubber bands and I put them here. I use 2, just like that.
Okay, you always wonder where your hair gone.
Okay, now the hard part is out of the way. We're gonna have a little fun with the I'm gonna use the edge control. To bring out the baby hair in me. Alright, so I'm just gonna comb.
got them called lace front.
Well, this is my real hair, not a lace front. They interrupted my video, by the way. Yeah. Good joke. Yeah, guys. So yeah. Alright. See those? Do that and that. Right? Can you hold it like back a bit?
That is.
So we have that part done. So this is the easy part now, where we're gonna use the hair. I already went ahead and bleached the ends because my hair has the color blonde already. So I just want it to look natural. So that's why I went ahead and did that. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna use bobby pins to like hold it, and I'm gonna use 4 to just secure it, because you know when you're walking you don't want it to fall off and embarrass you.
Trouble.
So
Trouble there.
I'm gonna wrap it here, then I'm gonna secure it with one of the pins at like first, then wrap it. Let me show you what's going on at the back. Then wrap, then you wrap it up, and you wrap it.
So that part is the easy part?
Yeah, it's easy. Then you get another pin to secure it right there, right? Then I'm gonna get this piece to complete the top. So I like my hair puffy, you know, a bit natural, you know what I'm saying? So I tease it a bit. I'm gonna do the same thing. Alright. Wrap it up.
Let's start from the top this time.
Start from the bottom. You pin it here, then you wrap it. You wrap it, then you wrap it. You're gonna get the end just to like get some here to just wrap it around to give it a natural look. And you can just use the pin and pin it down, like pin it under to secure it. And that's how you do it. Yeah. So this is the look, guys. That's the finished look. And I hope I enlighten you on how to, you know, do an easy and sleek ponytail. Easy as 1, 2, 3 from your home. You don't have to go out and do your hair. You know, you can do it home. Yeah. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want to know how I retain my hair length, how I grow my hair, you can comment below, and I can do another video on that.